Well, today it's not a matter of where am I going to trim, it's a matter of where I've been. And I've been to trim Belle. I think that goes back to last October when I trimmed her. So it was trim her and get her to come good, or they were going to get her put down, they were advised. So we come back, a bit of a follow up today, and also Apache and Ben. So I hope you enjoy this. Catch you on the computer. Hang on, you gotta wait. You just wait. This bloke, Ben, almost looks like my Wally the Wonder Horse. And I wouldn't be trimming it all today unless I knew I was trimming these guys, because they're so difficult to trim. I got thrown half a mile last week by a horse and got 50 bucks for trimming the horse and 70 bucks for the masseur. And it'll be the best part of over a week off work, so very economical. Right, our turn, bud. I'll start off with this here. Here we've got thoroughbred feet. You can see them start to flare, big, flat, wide hooves, and have a look down the back there. We've got my they're not too bad compared to what he was, but they're thoroughbred feet, as you can see from here. Stay there, Ben. Stay there, Ben. I said to him, this bloody thing's got feet like a thoroughbred. They said it is a thoroughbred.
How can you do this, Dad?
Yeah, you're doing a good job, Mia.
I used to walk a horse before.
You want to be my apprentice?
Yeah.
Do you? Come around trimming horses with me?
No!
What?
I just was scared to do it.
You what?
You're too
I
scared.
have to do the pooper thing though.
You can pick up the poop.
I can pick up poo, but I can scrape the poo off the hooves. I know how to do that now.
Do you?
Like I said, not a lot of concavity.
And then you just brush it off and then it will so
Big
shiny.
bars though today. Frogs are starting to go rotten because of the weather, I guess, and because they're due to exfoliate or peel or whatever you want to call it. He had really bad cracks, didn't he, in his feet?
Yeah, listen. They had to rush the whole horse. Yeah, they had box flies over it, so I can't get it off. My nose. What's the nose?
Holding for a while.
No. No, I'm fine.
She's doing a good job.
They're doing a good job, yeah.
I'll have to pay her with licorice again, I guess, will I?
No, she's fine. She doesn't need it.
I love licorice though. I eat them.
I've become a bit partial to it myself. So.
It's fine. I can eat
His
one.
heels are a bit too far forward. That should be back there.
Okay.
What I'm doing now, and I do it on nearly every trim, is what they call scooping the quarters, which generally most farriers don't do because they generally do them flat. I don't know whether you can see it. You want to come up the side here? Can you see the light through there?
Yep.
Right. The idea of that is so the hoof can flex longitudinally as well as wide, which is the way they're designed to be. Mother Nature decreed that.
Like you. He don't listen. His foot back.
Steady up now, Ben. Woo. You right? These cracks in Ben's foot. I know you want me to trim it. Put it down. Oh, all right. Well, put it up here then. These cracks in his foot. Can you see them? No.
Yep.
So that just, and that was on pretty much on most feet. So it just shows you can trim them out without panicking too much. Long heels again. There you go. I'll trim the top and then come back to that. Seems to be a real common thoroughbred thing that they go really wide in the heels. with these bars, Pauline.
I love talking. But I love talking on.
They've been the same on every foot. Oh, she nearly got me. Well, I nearly got myself then.
You nearly got yourself. Oh, that's funny.
Wouldn't have been too funny, I can
Wouldn't
tell you.
have been funny at all.
Are you trying? He doesn't like that. Oh, you try and find a Wow, that is so cool.
Yeah.
So like,
Heels again mainly with this bloke.
you this overall look
I might use this side here actually. This one.
This one?
That's mine. Don't cross your legs.
He does.
That lets you know, doesn't it? It says, I'm retiring before I... Just look here, man. Come on. That's good.
He listened. Can you get it? Can I get it? Yeah, thanks. No.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it, like and subscribe if you like as well. And I'll catch you when I got the nippers in the hand.